First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, today is going to be one of those days where we have the instance of some get sunshine and added instability, others lots of cloud cover, lots of rain, and more of a stable atmosphere. Plus, it's a tale of kind of dividing with I-65 being used as the dividing line. Out to the east, warm, moist air, a little bit more sunshine, a bit warmer. To the west, stable, a little bit cooler, and a big dividing line that's going to be the difference between who gets what this afternoon. Let's take a look at First Alert live Doppler radar, and I'll show you what's going on with the current view showing new thunderstorms now moving into southern Kentucky. We'll zoom in on those particular storms that are covering, well, Barron County from Glasgow up to Horse Cave and then down to Tompkinsville, Gamaliel. A little bit stronger as you head, say, into Lafayette, Tennessee, and down toward Red Bowling Springs and into the Cumberland Plateau. All of these storms that you're seeing here are kind of traipsing off to the north. So Glasgow, you're just going to be in line for a few more storms here in just a few minutes. I will turn off the composite view and let you see some of the more recent NextRad views here, and then zoom back out. And I want to show you the cloud cover that we're looking at, and this is what's going to make the difference. As you can see, the dividing line is pretty much along and east of I-65, where we're seeing a lot of sunshine east of that line, but to the west, clouds are keeping things fairly stable. But nonetheless, we're all under a risk for severe storms this afternoon and this evening, and that goes for not just anyone along and east of Interstate 65, which is right there, but even back to the west. We could have a few holes open up in the cloud cover. That could help destabilize the atmosphere once again. And all it could take is a few miles difference here to make a big difference in whether you get strong to severe storms or maybe just general thunderstorms. But we're going to keep watch of this and take advantage of our severe weather toolkit. We have it online right now at WBKO.com. You can get signed up for text alerts. You can find out the latest apps and maps that you can put on your devices and get ready for this afternoon and this evening. Let's take a look at some rainfall. And all this from the Kentucky Mesonet Network. Look at Calhoun, 1.25 inches there, almost an inch in Madisonville. All these numbers since midnight, but a lot of this came this morning at around 5 to 6 a.m. We're almost at 0.7 inches of rain here in Bowling Green, over a 1/2 inch in Scottsville, over 1 inch now in Munfordville, Edmonton, and a few other places have seen a lot of heavy rain this morning. And here's something else to look at, almost a 20-degree difference just within the WBKO viewing area. Albany with sunshine, 78, 79 Burkesville. Then you go all the way back up to Calhoun and Madisonville. There's about a 20-degree difference in temperature right there, and that's going to continue to be, again, that dividing line. Look at the more stable air back to the northwest. These are dew points in the 50s, while they're pumped up into the mid and upper 60s out to the east, where the most unstable air is right now. I'm looking at Livewire's got something going on over there. I'll check that in just a second. As we look live from Doppler Cam, the hill at Western, we've had just a little bit better stable air here with the clouds and the showers that we had this morning. 64 right now, northwest wind at 4, 97% humidity. Munfordville, you're at 74 right now. There's I can see just back there in the background. Josh, can you tell? Oh, I see it right now. It's behind my head. It's a severe thunderstorm watch for northern middle Tennessee. Expect something like that for us to come out here soon. Munfordville, you're at 74 and partly cloudy. Mostly cloudy Mammoth Cave, you're at 70. You've picked over 0.6 inches of rain. 0.43 of an inch of rain in Franklin, you're at 65. Everybody muggy right now, 64 degrees and almost 0.4 of an inch of rain up in Grayson County. Well, here's the 12-hour radar, and we're going to see another surge of moisture coming in. In fact, this is what we got to watch for, these individual cells that try to break apart from the main line of thunderstorms. This here would keep the air mass fairly stable with all the heavy rain and the cloud cover, but it's where the skies have opened up, like here in southern and southeastern Kentucky, that we'll have to watch for those stronger storms. And look at the dividing line here between temperatures. 64 here, 81 in Knoxville, but it's only 54 in St. Louis. So that area of low pressure, as it strengthens and moves very slowly right through southern Kentucky this afternoon and this evening, that's when we can expect expect the bulk of the activity to move through. Even early tomorrow morning, some showers and thunderstorms left over before all this pushes away, and then much cooler air starts to move in. 75 today, and that depends on how much sunshine you get. Numerous showers, thunderstorms, and now it looks like we're going to have to deal with some severe weather this afternoon. Showers and thunderstorms tonight, 51, and tomorrow a much cooler day with a high of only 64. Showers through the morning to midday, then clearing, but a chance of a shower still left over for Friday and Saturday. Cooler temperatures in the mid-60s, but at the end of the weekend, we do warm it back into the 70s. Stay connected online or at WBKO.com or your device with our WBKO app, and we will keep you updated on severe weather throughout the afternoon and evening. We'll be back.